Hey everybody, thanks for checking out the video today. We're going to be opening up this OlarHike travel hiking backpack. If anybody was following along recently, you know we had ourselves a family camping trip and afterwards determined that we needed something a little bit better for hauling around our stuff. So all we have right now is some like kids like Star Wars backpacks and stuff like that. So what we've got here, let's make sure we get it focused. There we go. What we've got here is this OlarHike backpack, and it's foldable, so that way you can keep it small, and then unfold it. It comes around the back. There we go. It actually turns into another little pocket there. And so here we go. Alright, so then it unfolds into this much larger backpack. How handy is that, right? See that? It's a full-size backpack. And then you've got your small pocket here. Looks like we've got another pocket here. Standard hiking backpack at this point. You know, you've got your water bottle pockets, and then your main pouch, with as well a smaller carry pouch, you know, where you can toss a tablet. I think a laptop would actually even fit in this as well. Yeah, it definitely looks like that would fit a laptop. It's not padded, so I would be careful if you were to toss a laptop in there, that's going to be directly against your back. Double zipper, as you guys can see. And then you've also got your adjustable straps with the breathing mesh for your shoulders. No breathing mesh on the back. Just keep that in mind, just on the shoulders. And then clips here, so that way you can make sure it's tightened up across your chest. It's adjustable there, adjustable here, adjustable here. Now what do we got here across the front? So this looks like, oh, okay. So this looks like this is going to be an additional clip in case you fill up the backpack all the way and you want to help with how tight it is. Because balance, weight and balance is actually kind of important whenever you're carrying stuff. I don't know if you know this. The other day I had actually had something heavy up at the top of the backpack, and it kind of forced it out away from the top of my shoulders, so that way I was carrying it on my lower back. On this point right here was pushing up against me, and it's quite uncomfortable. I actually had to stop twice to try to adjust how I had everything packed, to try to make sure that fit in there. But I think these here is probably to kind of help you with balancing and keeping it from poofing out and falling forward or anything like that. Then of course you've got, you know, this last pocket here, which is whenever you reverse it, where you have you know, the backpack folds back into. So cool. It's got a little pocket there, another little mesh pocket here. Well, see, the only thing that I'm really seeing or not seeing is a like a headphone access for like the cord from your headphones or your earbuds, so that way you can keep your music player inside here. But I mean, I guess at that point, you know, just grab yourself some Bluetooth headphones or earbuds or whatever and use those instead, since, I mean, we are getting kind of the point where we're cordless everything. But that is just something that I've noticed in some other backpacks that I have, that they've had that, you know, cordless or that corded access point. Very lightweight bag. I mean, if I were to weigh this, which I may just see if I can't do that real quick, figure out how to fold it back up. Folds back up pretty easily. I think I could probably do a better job the next time, but it seems to work. And the zippers aren't plastic zippers, they're metal zippers, which any of you, well, is it a metal or some kind of, yeah, it's some kind of a, maybe that isn't metal, but it's definitely not like a cheap jacket plastic or something. This is a heavier duty metal type of product. So there we go. We've got it folded back up, And then if you were to pack it with you or store it somewhere inside your home, nice small storage area. So let's weigh it, because I want you guys to see how much this is going to be whenever you're hiking, how much it's going to add to your hike. Looking at 10 ounces, 10.4 ounces. Extremely lightweight. It's not even a pound, not even 3/4 of a pound. So there you go. It's the pack. If you got any questions, comments, ask. I'll get to them as soon as we can. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you guys next time.